Hey, take a look at this. Here's a screenshot of $869.51 per day that we're making using our simple, never released to the public loophole. And once we activate this loophole, the money just keeps coming with just a few minutes each day. We were able to do this in our spare time without a website, without an email list, without buying ads, without any prior experience. And it only takes a few minutes per day to activate this simple loophole that pays us $48.54 over and over again for translating any text or document from one language to another and also generating voiceovers with any text or document. It's that simple. And it requires a small amount of time. We're effectively getting paid $48.54 every single time we do this. And if we want to scale this up and make even more money, we just rinse and repeat this simple loophole as many times as we want. How would you like to do this too? If you answered yes, you're in the right place. Because today, we're going to reveal how you can get in on this and follow in our footsteps. No technical knowledge or experience is needed. No need for knowing any language whatsoever. No need for recording your voice. All we're doing is simply translating any text or document from one language to another and generating voiceovers with any text or document using this software. Introducing TranslatePro. TranslatePro is the world's first system that pays for translating any text or document from one language to another and also generating voiceovers with any text or document with just a few clicks. And because there are zero expenses, every cash we make is profit. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to spend anything extra to make this work. Because there are no additional expenses with TranslatePro. And these payments can quickly multiply into $1,000 easily. You can do this with any phone or computer with access to the internet. The best part is, it only takes us a few minutes to collect payments like this via bank, PayPal or Payoneer. As you can see, once TranslatePro is activated, then making money online would be a piece of cake for you, and you'll enjoy permanent $48 payments over and over. At this point, you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost. Because the never-revealed loophole inside the TranslatePro app makes it easy to get paid $48.54 over and over again. It would be easy for us to charge $97 per month for access because you'd quickly cover your costs and be in profit. But the good news is, when you get TranslatePro right now, we're eliminating the monthly fee and reducing the price so you get everything for a low one-time payment. But please don't close this page and come back later because the price is going up fast. Although the low price makes this a no-brainer, we're going to make this even easier by giving you access to some powerful bonuses that will help you skyrocket your results with TranslatePro and ensure your success. We're also going to give you a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can give TranslatePro a try, use it to make some money, and then decide if it's really for you. If you're tired of struggling, wasting time and money on methods that don't work, and you're looking for something new that's fast, easy and proven to get results, then you need to get your hands on TranslatePro now. Click the button below now to lock in your discount and claim your bonuses before the price goes up.